Can't find a way to change your iPad location? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. In this video, we'll show you 2 quick methods to change your iPad's location to anywhere you want. Method 1, change location on iPad via Settings. Go to Settings and General. Then tap Language and Region. Find Region, and select the new location you'd like to switch to. This method only changes the region in system settings. Many apps won't reflect the new location. If you want to change the location across all apps, method 2 is your best bet. Method 2, change location using a location changer. First, enable location services under Privacy and Security in Settings. Then, switch to Turn on Developer Mode. Once that's done, follow the steps in this video to set a virtual location on your iPad. With MagFone Location Changer, you can not only set a fixed virtual location, but also simulate movement between locations. It's a powerful tool for changing your location on both iOS and Android devices.